Also, let me just customer service, right? I hate when companies lie like this. When have you ever had the repair guy call you up and go, yeah, I'm going to be there as soon as possible? No, the repair guy doesn't call you. You speak to someone in a call center. If you're lucky, that person might even be in the same time zone as you. Welcome back to another Chatterbox. We have got a special for you today. It is a commercial reaction. Yeah, like in the UK, like we call them adverts, innit? Yeah, just an advert. So it's an advert reaction. But it sounds a little better when you say commercial reaction. I don't know. It's an advert reaction to me. But anyway, whichever way you want it, if you butter your bread on the left or the right, it's a commercial or a advert reaction.
Today, with Marmite.
Yeah, man. Marmite, come on. Listen, my name is Dan. I do not know why it says on the list here that my name is Michael. And today I am joined by the songstress of Stoke. It is Maria. Hey. What's good? How you doing?
I'm good. Yeah.
Good vibrations and all them thing there. And you know where the vibrations are because you can feel them dance moves pounding the dance floor. The bashment, the bass line, it's all coming in time. It's that reggae and rhyme. It's the OG North London's wildest. Yes, walk one with a bad man thing.
Yeah, I'm very good. I'm a very good man.
Yeah, always.
A very, very good man. I'm so damn good.
Is that what your police friends tell you? Anyway, today we are doing a commercial reaction to Samsung India Service.
I'm looking forward to this. Yes.
I know you love an abbreviation, Des. It's the SVC. Most watched video in 2017. Will take care of you wherever you are. So, who's going to take care of? No one take care. I take care of myself. Let's get into the thing. Come on, DJ. Press that silver triangle.
Let's get this.
हेलो मैम मैं सैमसंग से अमित बात कर रहा हूँ।
जी अमित,
आपने टीवी की कंप्लेन करवाई?
हाँ, क्या आप 7 बजे के पहले आ सकते हैं?
जी बिल्कुल।
बह चला आसमान तेरे संग तू उड़ चला
That's how she flows, isn't it? Boy, Samsung's doing anything to get to you, boy.
थोड़ा फंस गया हूँ, बस आ ही रहा हूँ।
लगता है चंदू की भेड़ों ने फिर ट्रैफिक जाम कर दिया है। जल्दी आइएगा।
Was that ring doorbell as well?
Amit?
Oh, she's blind. Oh man.
We have to pull out all the stops. It's Samsung.
Oh man. Yeah. Louis Braille. Yeah. Okay.
टाइम पे ठीक तो हो जाएगा ना?
जी मैम।
हो गया?
बस मैम।
हाँ, अब ठीक है। चलो, जल्दी चलो।
Oh, don't tell me she's a teacher. Oh man, I knew it, you know.
आराम से अमित जी रिमोट
जी
वेलकम बैक टू जूनियर इंडियन आइकन और आज की पहली कंटेस्टेंट है हम सबकी चहेती प्रेरणा
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल
Okay.
तेरे बिन नहीं लगता दिल मेरा ढोलना
हमारे हॉस्टल की है और पता है
Okay,
मेरी
hostel
best friend
then.
थी।
Okay. Yeah.
रिश्ते निभाने के लिए कभी कभी थोड़ा दूर जाना पड़ता है, इसीलिए सैमसंग सर्विस वैन्स जाती हैं देश के कोने कोने तक।
Mario, what are you saying?
I don't even know. I'm just like, that was a lot. So she was blind, and then she had a bunch of blind students, and then he like saved the day. That was like very emotional for an advert. Like Samsung is really like pulling out all the stops. But it was nice. Like the cinematography was nice. It was still sweet. Yeah.
What are you saying, OG?
Yeah. I have to agree with what she said as well, man, because I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be about mobile phones. And is it about Samsung or is it about this one individual as well? Because he touched the lives of everybody else unexpectedly. Because did Samsung really know what was going on? Did he know what was going on? I thought it was quite a powerful movement there, man. Yeah, that kind of things sucker me out, man. And you feel the emotion. You feel the emotion. And it's a good advert for them. And I hope that they got something positive out of it, either to help the community, to help the individuals, to help the hostel, just to help the people there. I really hope Samsung just pulled out really all the stops and then just exploit.
Yeah.
No, I reckon they exploited. You know why, yeah? Because Samsung, right? See all them lovely shots of all that beautiful environment, that lovely area. Do you know what they do for the environment? They dump millions and millions of dead phones into land that they've been told to stop doing. They've been told to recycle, and they keep dumping it, right? In terms of their impact, like their sustainability impact on the earth, right? It's shocking. Like they get outdone by all the other phone companies. When they're doing adverts like this, is to wrap in customers who.
Yep.
Can you hear that noise?
No, that's you, innit?
Is it me?
Yeah.
It's gone now. They're doing that to wrap in. Oh, it's Samsung. They're trying to get me because I've got no Samsung devices up in here, you know? Yeah, man's got no Samsung. Listen, right? They're doing that to wrap up the people who don't know about how much they're damaging the earth. Also, let me just customer service, right? I hate when companies lie like this. When have you ever had the repair guy call you up and go, yeah, I'm going to be there as soon as possible? No, the repair guy doesn't call you. You speak to someone in a call center. If you're lucky, that person might even be in the same time zone as you. And I mean that on the basis as they actually know what time zone you're in. Right? And then the next time you call up, you do not get the same person, let alone the frigging guy who's coming to your house. You get another person in another call center that might be in another time zone. Samsung are lying to you, people. Samsung are lying to you, right? When they come to the house, yeah, they ain't going to sit around and help you out and be all lovely. You know what they're going to do? They're going to get in, do the job as quick as possible and get out. Because you know Samsung has got that guy in the van on a bad contract, on a low wage, and he's rushing to get through all the jobs he can in a day. Those sheep, he's not going to be standing there going, move, lovely sheep, Move, lovely sheep. He's gonna be like, yeah, I'm the blood clot way, man. Move your macho self. You know what I mean? Yeah. He's gonna be like angry in every damn language he can get angry at, because he knows if he's late at the next appointment, he'll be late at the next one, and he'll be docked his wages, right? So Samsung, stop lying to the people. That's my view, innit? I'm done. I've stopped ranting. I'm gonna sip some rum. This is Chatterbox. Des, you can do the outro.
Yo, you was definitely ranting there, man. And it's about the persons who's provided the service, and this young man, he provided the service. Yes, it was under the Samsung umbrella, but nonetheless, he did what needed to be done. So
in the advert,
he was called.
They don't allow real people to do that.
He was called. I'm taking it for what it is, man. He touched everybody's soul.
It's a lie. That's what it is.
Yeah,
it's a lie.
I agree.
Samsung,
I think it's just
a lie.
Samsung, if you're listening here, if you're watching, yo, we need some S21s. We need the Ultras. We need everything. We need some big ass TVs and stuff, man. We need you to support Chatterbox, and we will support you. Yeah, look, hey. Okay, so you were saying. Hey, yes, Samsung. Yes, we're talking to you. Yeah, Chatterbox. Yes, S21s. We got a crew of 10, so we want 10 S21 Ultras. Yes, all right. Thank you.
Yo, this is Chatterbox. My name is Dan. That's Mario. And obviously, we got the OG Des. You know what it is. Let us know in the comments what you guys thought. Do you think Samsung are liars, or did you fall for the trap of their lovely little advert filmed on loads of products built by other companies? I bet they didn't even use their own products for the advert. Man's on it, bruv. Come on. If you like what you see, hit us up on Patreon. Let us know if you want us to do more reactions to commercials. We will be back next time with more reactions to more things and other stuff and all of that. Mario, before we go, how many likes do we need on this video?
Let's go for 10K. Because Samsung, go big or go home.
Yeah,
you know?
There you go. Boom. This is the big boys here, and we do it real up in here, man. We got people who are rational, we got people who are emotional, and we got people who are damn right real.
This is Chatterbox. Peace out, people.
All right.